Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to play YouTube in background in Samsung A35 or A55 5G. If you're using Samsung A35 or A55 5G now you want to play YouTube in background on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open the pre-installed browser in your device. Here's that, just open it. From here, just select three dots in the right bottom corner, tap on them and then select settings here, and here you will get the usual features option. Just tap on it, and here's the option of background play. Select it, and here you must have to turn it on. After doing that, just go back, and here just search for YouTube. Just search for it, and after that just randomly play any video here. As I'm going to play this one, so just tap on it, and after playing that video you just have to go back and go to your home screen, and here you can see the video has been running in background. So that's how you can easily play YouTube in background on Samsung A35 or A55 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.